Alright, so we're going to begin the tour of my grandma's house in Peru. So this is the front entrance. So you have a door here. If I had the key, I could open it. A second door, a little courtyard, and then another door. But the easy way to see it is, well, boom. So now once you enter, we have a little staircase. You can see how tall Jordan is when compared to the house. And then on the room on the left is going to be our little office area. Oficina. So before there used to be a little like stain here because a lady drank acid as a suicide attempt, and then she vomited up there, so it's kind of damaged there.
Cute little fact for you.
Cute little fact. Here is the little laundry room with another little bathroom, and here is the area to the garage. If it like, I can't open it, or it's already open. No, I have to look it. So there's the car back there, and then, ooh, before I forget to mention, maybe Jordan will get that open while I look at this room. Here it used to be my grandma's old little shop. So she was a tailor, so her old sewing machine's here, really old vintage, and this is the door that would open up to go to the outside. So it's pretty cool, like pretty cool. But let's go leave it here. I'm gonna close the door. Supposedly, this place is super haunted.
I got it open.
Oh, supposedly this place is super haunted. I've seen ghosts here, so in that room, that's where I saw the lady who drank acid. But for some reason, nothing happened with Jordan. So now, here's the garage.
Like if you don't believe in ghosts, you don't imagine seeing them.
Okay, the light's all the way down there at the end. So this is the little garage, and this is an old like 1960s car that we have here, super beat up. And during what happened during our fire escape? What did we notice?
We determined that if there's a fire, you die.
So how did we determine that? You want to tell us why?
The Rodriguez family, not all there. They welded the garage shut, so you can't get out.
It is welded shut, so we can't open this. We don't have the key to this because, as you can see, it's double locked down there. So our little fire escape drill didn't really work that well. So as you can see, this is the laundry room where Jordan got his laundry done for him. Little bathroom that none of us use. And then we're going to go through this room. And the light switch is back here. Now, this is the place that we did a lot of funeral viewings. So whenever someone died, oh yeah, Oscar is written there. But this is the funeral room. So whenever someone dies, you bring them here. It's like a little viewing because that's what they do in Peru, not like America. You do it at your house. That's where we think all like the bad spirits, not even bad spirits, where the spirits come from. And then hopefully it's unlocked, and it is. And well, Jordan, press the light. This is the room me and Jordan stayed at. Now, the last couple who stayed here was my cousin Stephanie and her husband Andre. And Andre got haunted in the sense of all his stuff was moved around, his shoes were moved around, someone was going through his bag, this and that, but Jordan had nothing happen to him. Jordan, what was the creepiest thing about sleeping in this room?
Being able to hear everything everyone does in the house.
And the footsteps, and the outside. And so this is the bathroom. That's like here, super cute. Nice shower, right, Jordan?
Yeah.
And then out there's the door to the courtyard. And here's another room. Now, before, this is the one my dad stayed at. Before, this used to be two separate rooms. So as you can see, there's a little line back here. It's not up on the roof that much. You kind of see on the side here if you look up close to that white line. Well, this used to just be like a little storage room in the back. And then the original office was right here. So I used to hang out here all the time and have this door open. As you can see, the front door is right there. And well, it's kind of like a cool little maze. Now the question is this open or not? Oh, it is. We can exit right down this way. Boom, boom, a little sink. So now we're gonna go upstairs. So yeah, this is the room Jordan and I stayed at. Right, Jordan?
Yes, to emphasize the point I came out.
And then the haunted room right here. Well, they said another reason why we didn't get haunted is because we kept this door closed. And I guess Andre and Stephanie didn't keep that door closed.
That's what you get for sleeping with the door open. Kind of a monster, that's that.
And here is the staircase, which I'll show you once we get upstairs.
Yeah, well, actually, I went down the staircase, but I haven't been through the door.
Yeah, we used to run tag there. So now we're going to the second floor. There's the third floor. Jordan. Oh, he's hiding. So then here is the dining room where we all have dinner. And here's the security cameras, because why not? A little TV. A little mirror. I'm too short to even see myself. Our little kitchen. And then, oh, you want to get the balcony key? Like I'm just like recording while doing this. Or is it locked, huh? It's not locked. No. Oh, there he is. Okay. So then here's like a little tiny living room. And here's the living room where you can see pictures of all of my relatives except for one of my uncles. And these are my aunts, and then my mom, and then this is my doppelganger, my dead aunt. And then here's a little balcony area, which it looks like it's locked. Ooh, Jordan, can you help me open? Yeah, a lot of doors here are super hard to open up. And here's a little balcony that you look at the park. Jordan and me only enjoyed this once, and it was kind of cool. And the really cool thing about their park is that they have a basketball court and a soccer. So right below the hoop there is a soccer goal.
Don't you mean football?
Well, a lot of people who are American know it as football. Not football, soccer. But yeah, a little balcony. And I used to pull the paint up here when I was little for fun. Alright, let's go and explore the other rooms. So here is another little sewing room. It's kind of hard to see. There's a sewing machine. All these little certificates of academy from my grandma who has passed. And here's her little sewing thing too. Yeah, so it's a little sewing room. Oh, let me turn off the light. And then the bathroom. My grandma's bathroom that I take showers in because it's nice. Blah, 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 blah. And then my grandma's room. Hi, Mom. I like you. What's that? This is my Kitty's room. Let me feel that room.
He got a surgery.
She got surgery, so we're not gonna show her.
Oh, what's that? Oh.
No, it's mal, porque fun. Here's the Kitty. Hola, Kitty. But yeah, before she used to have two beds here with all her dolls and this like big line. ¿Qué pasó con el Leon? Oh. And then this is another bathroom. I used to call it the blue bathroom because it's all blue.
This is the first time I've been in here.
I know, which I'm and there's a water heater for this bathroom. That's why I told Jordan, I'm like, if you need a water heater, this is the bathroom. This door is currently closed, but this used to be my Tio Victor's room, and this is my Papa Lucho's room.
No one goes in.
And we're gonna go upstairs.
Upstairs.
Third floor. Okay. So this used to be my mom's old kid room. Oh, they changed it.
I haven't been in here.
Neither. This is new. So this is the little laundry room, the little kitchen. Oh, look. This is so freaking cool. I've never been to this room actually. But I guess this is now the storage room because you can see with the bathrooms and stuff. And let's go keep on going. Let's go this way to this other hallway. There are more rooms here. This is my dad's room, quote unquote. This is someone that's renting. There's a bathroom down here on this side right now, this door. More rooms. And then here you go out to this side of the third floor.
So does the person who's
Another
renting
room.
get to use that stove, or?
Yeah, I guess. Another room. This is the third floor's bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms on the third floor. And here's a little like area. I think this is a storage area. I'm not 100% sure. As you can see, everything's locked. So unless you have the cool key for everything, you're not gonna be able to go
If there's a
anywhere.
fire, this is the only place you can escape from, except there are spikes waiting to kill you.
So the reason why Peruvians have so many spikes, even Jordan has mentioned, or electrical fences, is to deter anyone that's trying to break in.
I mean, that's pretty obvious.
It's pretty obvious, but yes, this is like a little balcony area. Before there was no shed on top. As you can see, if you point out, this little roof didn't exist until like 2 years ago. So, and has a whole entire drainage system too, because to keep the tile and everything clean. Oh, looks like someone's celebrating something. Oh, they got a goal. What was it called? Basketball?
A basket.
A basket. But yeah, so this is like where my aunt and my mom like to hang out all the time. And my favorite thing, smoking kills. And the amount of time I would look at them and be like, y'all are stupid. Hey, let's go to the 4th floor.
I like the 4th floor, even though I've only been up there once.
Well, guess what you gotta go get?
Yeah, I missed out. I was supposed to hang up there.
This is where I used to hang out to get away from all my cousins when I was little. And it's where we saw a cat, remember? So this is the 4th floor. And it's kind of like there's a storage area. People hang their clothes here to dry. Here's the water tank. And if you look down, you can see the 3rd floor, the rooms. And fun fact, they added some brick because this is the original brick how Lowe used to be, and they added this. And they also added the spikes because.
Why is there just barbed wire here?
I don't know. Probably because of the other houses.
I was like, I feel like where people are least likely to come in from.
And fun fact, hold on. If you look down here, you can see that this whole house is gone. It's because it burnt down. You see it? And so one day my dad used to sleep in Getty's room and he heard scratches. So my mom and dad went upstairs and they saw there was nothing. So it was kind of weird. So I just think Jordan, like, because he didn't believe in ghosts, nothing happened to him. And here is, well, you can see the 1st, 2nd.
Oh yeah, this is a cool view.
And the 3rd floor, yeah. Hola, tío. This is the other side. Arriba. Hola. But yeah, and so this is the house in Peru, and I wanted to record it because no one, and I mean no one in the family, has like video of any of it. So we have photos, but no one really has taken a video.
Now what's this house?
Well, this is one of the. Oh, so fun fact. This house didn't exist when I first came to Peru when I was 9 or 8.
They're built together.
It looks like it was built together, but no, this was empty. This was empty, so they built it.
Yeah.
Which is kind of weird to think about. So like there used to be nothing here. You see where that green ends? There used to be nothing. That's why it's like not covered at all. Because why are we gonna paint for them? But yeah, it's kind of crazy. And it's kind of crazy how close all the houses are. Dora, what did you say when you first saw how close everything was?
It's like one of those movies where people jump around on rooftops and do a rooftop chase.
Yeah. So.
Makes me want to jump out on the rooftop.
But yeah, and another thing about the house that's kind of funny, you can't talk shit about anyone or else everyone will hear you, especially if you're on the 1st floor, which means you're in real life, because when my aunt and uncle came, we heard everything they were saying, and I also heard everything my mom was doing. But yeah, kind of crazy. So we completely forgot to record, but. And that was the door I was talking about on the 1st floor. There is a key that you can open. ¿Dónde está? Wait, Tori, they have the key. We can open it. So fun fact, me and my cousin used to play tag around the house because there's so many. Mom, we have the.
My story with the store is the other night the showers weren't working, and there was a bunch of guests over, and I was hoping I could sneak through here so I wouldn't awkwardly walk past them with shower supplies for the 100,000th time, but it was locked.
Oh, so I used to play tag with my cousins, and one day I'm chasing Alina, and she falls over, and she like sprains her ankle, and she blamed me saying I pushed her, and I got the beating of my life.